Hello, Liberlanders. I am Christa Mariah, a Royal Starseed Queen and founder of Treedom. I am honored to be with you by video today, and sorry I couldn't be there in person, but we're preparing to open our Royal Starseed Sanctuary in Miami, Florida, which will be a safe haven for Liberlanders as well. So I'd love for you to take a moment and close your eyes with me and take a deep breath. And imagine a space in nature where the sound of the water envelopes you with the rustling of the leaves, where you can hear the call of the wild coming to you live from Lieberland. And you are in your very own tree house that blurs the lines between nature and our way of life. As you walk along the winding paths of the food forest labyrinth, or spend some time in the Zen meditation gardens, you will feel more than just the earth beneath your feet. You will feel the people around you, the energies. Treedom is a place where individuals come together, united by a shared vision of co-creation and a deep desire to connect with nature and our higher selves. It is a place where dreams take shape and new chapters unfold. But Treedom is more than just a treehouse and houseboat retreat property. It's an opportunity to be part of something truly transformative and magical. We are embarking on a journey of co-creation where a council of 12 co-funders, keyword being fun, will come together in a cooperative competition or co-opetition, where we will work together to bring the most advanced regenerative materials, technologies, and wisdom so that we can co-create these beautiful sanctuary tree houses and houseboats. Imagine the wisdom and skills and resources that will flow through this council, fueling the creation of something extraordinary. At Treedom, we will not settle for conventional building practices. We will embrace the next level of regenerative and sustainable design, and we'll share the wisdom of experts and then put our own marks on each of the tree houses, as each co-funder will lead a team and get to tell their story, weaving it through the very fabric of their tree house. As we shape Treedom, we will honor the sacred geometry that underlies the universe, aligning our design also with the cosmic energies that surround us. We will explore concepts like biogeometry, biomimicry, and astrogeometry, tapping into the profound influence of the celestial bodies to infuse our retreat with harmony and balance. And that's not all. Treedom will be a space where sound and color will also become healing agents. The idea is that as you step into these spaces, that you are naturally raised in vibration and your body begins healing itself. These colors, sounds, and technologies will heal our minds, bodies, and souls while telling your story and helping you to release tension and enhancing your well-being. Through music, art, and various therapeutic practices, we will unlock the transformative power of sound and color, inviting you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing. Take a deep breath in with me again. And you may open your eyes. And now I invite you, potential co-funders, to join us on this remarkable journey. Together, we will create a retreat property that not only connects us with nature, but connects us with our deepest visions for the next level in our game of life. And we will do this in Liberland, where our shared passion for liberty and freedom and respecting nature and using regenerative practices and different healing modalities and combining technology with spirituality and the nature that surrounds us. If this resonates with you and you feel the call to be part of something extraordinary, part of something bigger than yourself, which you already are, this opportunity for freedom awaits your participation. In closing, I extend my heartfelt invitation to you. Let us join hands, minds, and hearts to build a treehouse and houseboat retreat like no other in the world, where you will invite your friends, family, tribe, companies to connect with nature, to inspire each other, to transform lives together, creating these spaces in nature where we harmonize with community and our visions begin to intertwine. Together, we will shape a future that is in harmony with ourselves, each other, and the world around us. Thank you for listening. Thank you for participating. And I look forward to deeper conversations with each of you who are inspired with this call to action to co-create a space in harmony with nature, each other, and our visions for the next chapter and the next level in this game of life. We'll see you soon.